Today I will talk about how can you use Netflix on your Netflix app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to use your Netflix app. So in first, you click here on my Netflix here. So then when it's going to take you to this list, you will find here all downloads you have. Just click on it. I have no downloads here yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list here. So when you click in this sign here, it's going to show for you this like this here. Here can you manage profiles. When you just click on it, and here you will find all profiles you have, and here can you add a new profile here. So then when you click here on app settings, just click on it, and here can you manage here cellular data usage. If you want to add it Wi-Fi only or save data or maximum data here, and here can you disable it disable it here, or here enable it automatic, then you click here on OK. So and here can you manage notifications if you want to disable it here or enable it. So just when you click on it, you click on notification categories here, and here can you manage notifications in this list here. So then we will go back, and here if you want to manage downloads, if you want to add it on Wi-Fi only or disable it here, and here you will find smart downloads here. Can you manage it in this list? So then here you will find download location. If you want to add internal storage or SD card here, so then here you will find your storage here, and here devices. So then here you will find your account. Then we will in here can you so manage here internet speed test here. Then we will go back here. You click here on account. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open with you here. So then here can you change your email, and here can you change your password. Then here just click on it, then it's going to change with your phone number. Here can you verify your phone number here, and here if you want to cancel membership, and here if you want to find your billing details here, can you find it your payment methods. So then here can you find plan details in this list here. Then here can you turn off profile transfer or manage download device, and here can you delete your account. You will go back here, and here can you sign out if you want to sign out of your account. Then here you will find new or end hot here, just click on it. It's going to show for you. So in this list here, so then here you will go to home, just click on home. Then here if you want to watch any of this series or movies, just click on play here. So then it's going to play with you like you see now here. This movies it's going to play with you here. If you want to manage speed, or you want to click here on lock episode here, episodes, if you want to select it here, episodes. So then here audio and subtitle, just click on it, and here you select subtitle for voice, and here for words, so translation here. And when you're down, click here on a play. So then here if you want to start next expert here, so and here you manage here light, we will go back. So then here if you want to add it to your list, just click on it, then it's going to take you to your list. and we will click to another movie like this. For example, here it's going to show for you like this. Here can you download, just click here on download, then it's going to download with you here. Here if you want to download limited series, here can you share it, and here you add it to your list. So in here you will find games list, you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find games here. So in this list, can you select any of these games here? We will go back. Then here can you, if you want to add here categories, can you select here categories? Here if you want to add action or anime or Arabic comedy, scream, documentaries, dreams. So I'm going to click here, so documentaries here. Then it's going to show for you here all the commentaries like you say. It's going to show for you in this list here. So here can you select your categories. So I'm go back now here, and here if you want to click here on TV show, it's going to show for you like this. And here can you find TV show here, can you find it? So when you go down here, then here you will find continue watching for your account. Here can you continue watching your movies here you searched before. It's going to show for you in this list here. So in here you will find all movies and series, can you select it in this list here. And here you will find all downloads you have, just click on it. Then here it's going to show for you, just click in this sign, and here can you select here smart downloads. In this list here it's going to show for you like this here. And here, so then here in this list you will find your list. So if you add any movies to your list, you will find it in this list here. And here trial it, you've watched it, you will find it, and continue watch it here. Here can you find all this here. Then here can you search, just click on search, and here you search for any movie you want to, or series or games or shows you want to watch in this list here. And here can you use only voice here. So that's all you have to do. That's all to use your Netflix app. That's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.